welcome to Sew Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how to install snaps. I have a couple different kinds of snaps. I have some from Cam Snaps that are plastic. I have another set from Snap Source that are metal, and I have a third set that is Dritz that I got from Joann's, and it comes in just this little box right here, and it is a little snap fastener kit. So I just wanted to show you a few different snaps that I've used and how to install them and which ones I prefer. So let's get started. So Snap Source is nice because it has a bunch of rings that are different colors and styles, and then it also has caps that are a bunch of different colors. And then it also has like pearl ones that are really cool. So they have a great selection that you can go check out. So I'm just using this baby pink one that I have, and I'm going to show you again on a scrap piece of fabric. So I'm going to say this is my top. So this prong would be going right here because I want to see the pink. So that's how I'm going to be doing it on this sample piece of fabric. So for these snaps, again, you're going to be using the Snap Setter tool, and I have the size 15 tool. They come in all different sizes and colors based on what size you're using. So I'm just going to disassemble it, and here's my base. It even says what it is, so that's really nice. And I'll place that right here. I'm going to be placing the top piece on the bottom, and then I'll place my fabric right over top. And again, I have my X. I'm going right in the middle of my X, and I am going to push that down a little bit just to make sure it stays exactly where I want it. If you want to, again, take your pencil and make sure it stays in place. Then I can take the middle piece and place that on top. Make sure it's still lined up and it hasn't moved. Then I'll take this socket, and with the raised side, again, it's hard to tell on camera, but right here on top is the raised side, and I'm going to place that down so that it locks into those prongs. So I'll place it there. And then I place the top part, the top piece on top, and right here you can see that circle, and I'll take a hammer, or they even sell a hammer that you can buy that goes with the kit, and I just hammer that together. I kind of want to go around just to make sure I get it pretty good. I have heard that it's helpful to place a piece of wood and then this on top so that you get a real good stronghold. So there I have that placed. So I'm ready to do my other piece. And again, this piece will go on the outside, so no matter where it is, it's smooth. And I'm gonna push that in, making sure it's set. And I can take this apart again and place those prongs in that hole, in that circle right there, and make sure that's good. Okay, now I can put the middle piece back on. Make sure there's no shifting. Then I'm ready to place this stud right on top. And then I place my top piece and hammer it down. Okay, and then I can take it apart, pull it out, and it should be perfect. So then I can snap it together, and there we go. Just like that, it's all done. So it's super quick and easy. This tool is just nice so that you remember all your steps and keep everything in place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it answered all of your snap setting questions. If you are interested in this romper, I'll put a link to the video of it down below. It is the t-shirt romper that I made. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe. And also make sure to go check out my Instagram, MySewBliss, where I will be posting more sewing tips and sneak peeks of projects that I'm working on, and maybe a few giveaways. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!